So, hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Jay. It is Wednesday. Yes, I am back on your channel on Wednesday, y'all. What y'all got to say about that? What y'all got to say? This is Jay So Tastic. Say what? I don't know, but we doing some upcycling, some DIY, and some pattern sewing over here. And as you all know, I am a beginner sewer, so give me some grace, okay? But let's get into this video. Okay, so today I wanted to do a review on the dress. Hold on 1 minute. Okay, I wanted to let a little bit more light in here, but I wanted to do a review on the dress 7727 McCall. Okay, so y'all saw the dress, and I made the dress, and I rocked the dress, and it's some things that can be done to the dress. Okay, because once I made the dress, and I made it in, let's see, a 20. Okay, so I made it in a 20. Um, and so that called for, let me see, I did view A, short sleeves, and let's see, 7.5, 7 and something fabric. Ooh, yeah. So, yeah, yeah, that's what I did. That's what I did. And y'all know I used the king size bed sheet that I purchased from Walmart. It was plenty of fabric to use, and even when I made my mistakes, I had more to cut out. And I hadn't even used the pillowcases, but I did use the fitted sheet, and I used the flat. Okay, so with that said, I love the dress. The dress needed some darts in it because I think in this area right here, it was a little bit too big for me. And I put on my biggest bra that I had just so I could see how these arms were gonna flow. And I didn't like that part. Will I make the dress again? Yes, I will. So what I'll do is I'll probably take, you see this line right here? I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me bring it a little closer. This line right here. I think I will probably take that in a little bit more versus putting in the darts. I don't know. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna do the dress, and I'm gonna see if I can open this yoke back up. So that was the yoke that is on the dress. Here go the line drawings, so you can see there is a yoke, a front yoke, and a back yoke. And I don't know if the yoke can be eliminated, maybe, and just taken. Oh, probably not, because I got to have the arm, circumference there. Got to have that there. I was worried about the arms more than I was worried about the yoke. But anyway, it still came out beautiful. And will I make it again? Like I said before, yes, I will. So, but my next plans that are coming up, I wanted to share those with you guys today. Normally I don't come in twice a week, but our channel is growing, and I'm trying to find a name for y'all. I don't know if y'all should be my Sotasticers or my um Tastic crew, or I don't know. Y'all leave me some comments below. So I don't even know if we really need a name, but I would like to be able to really, really connect with you guys and just, be like, hey, Tasticers, what's going on? Whatever. I don't know. But we at 980 subscribers, so hopefully we could get to 1,000. I don't know. I got to get the watch hours in, y'all, because the watch hours, and for y'all that's out there watching your girl and ain't subscribed, please. What? What do you need from me? What do you want from me? What can I do for you? Um, Let me know. And subscribe to the channel so I can do it instead of just watching. I don't know. Y'all be out there watching, and I appreciate every single watch. But I need you to subscribe, and I need you to watch the videos. And if y'all don't like the long videos, let me know. But every time I'm doing something like not I don't know if I want to call it a so long, a tutorial, or just watch me make this dress, what it is. But sometimes those videos are going to be a lot longer. Okay, so don't be mad at me when I put those videos out there, but watch it. Okay. And I could tell when y'all skipping through stuff and passing up and trying to get to the end. So I don't know what I should do about that. But anyway, um, I also wanted to say when in the video I noticed when I watched it, there was a reference to me putting a pattern up that I was prepping myself for. So the dress really is helping me get used to working with long skirts, long flowing material and stuff like that. And what I was referencing was the McCall 7644, which I planned on making. Okay. And I know it's a costume, but this gonna be a bad thing. And I think that I might make it in blue jean. I think it's gonna be a blue jean thing. I do. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think and put something down in the comment if you have something you want to say about that. If you think it should be a blue jean thing, I think it should. It could be black, it could be blue, it could be whatever. The multi-patch, just okay, get inside my head and look at the vision and come back and share. Okay, so but this is what I was referencing. The McCall. Once again, the pattern number is 7641. Okay, so that dress has prepped me for that. That's why I've been trying to work on doing my collars and stuff. And I did go back in and watch, like I said in the video, Rochelle again to follow along. And I think I got it now, how to perfect my video, my collars. So not all collars are the same, but I kind of like have a grip on things on how it should go. Okay. So with that said, today I plan on finishing up my Mimi G dress. This is 3064, and I did it long, but I ended up cutting it short. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna add a ruffle here or, excuse me, y'all, or if I'm just gonna wear it short. Okay. Because it's cute already. It's cute. And I use the rib knit. It's black. But I plan on making this in other colors too because I want to be summer comfortable and free. And I think this looks good on me, even though I'm not the perfect shape I should be. I'm a plus size girly. I'm a seasoned girly. So, but I think I still can look cute. I don't like looking old. I don't like wearing, stuff that don't really fit. But I'm aware of my shape. So, with that said, be aware of your shape and try to work around it or do what you need to do to camouflage those things that you don't feel comfortable with sharing. Mine is my fupa, and I'm working on my crunches to kind of like, I know I can snatch in my waist a little bit more. I know I could. I don't want to wear no girdle, so I'm gonna have to do something. I'm gonna have to do something because I am not your girdle girl. Okay. But and also I wanted to share with you guys what I wanted to finish working up on. I shared this fabric with you guys a while ago. It's t-shirt fabric, and I got it in black and white. So I do want to make some t-shirts to wear with my jeans for the spring and summer. So I'm gonna be coming up with some videos soon how to make some quick little t-shirts. I got my double needles. I got all my stuff ready. And something else I wanted to finish that I shared with you guys too was my pillows. I wanted to make my pillow covers. So for my living room is in the shades of green and white and whatever other color I make it to pop. As you, I don't know if y'all can see back there, but my chairs are orange, and I brought them on Facebook Marketplace. I think they're from West Elms, and the chairs I think they're like 250 or 150 a piece. But I was gonna cover them, but I just left them orange because the orange falls in with the sage and the white and the black and all that I have going on over there. So I was gonna make me some pillow covers out of this fabric that I bought from Hobby Lobby. It was in the clearance section, and I think I took the price off of it, so I don't know how much I paid for it, but it is really a beautiful upholstery fabric or pillow. It'll make a really nice pillowcase. And whatever I have left, I don't know. We'll just do what make it do. Okay. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do with that. And then one more thing I'm gonna share that was on my table. I don't know if y'all noticed it, but it was on my table when I was sharing some things with y'all, is the cargo pocket vest. Because I'm gonna make this t-shirt, and I'm just gonna have to do some adjustments because it looked like it's a little bit short for the waist. So I'm gonna have to add. I don't know if I want mine that short. I might. It might be cute short, as long as I wear something like a t-shirt like this up under there or something like that. I don't know. I might even draw a pattern from this. I don't know. If I do, I'll let y'all know because I do like this shirt. So, but anyway, back to the. This is PDF pattern that I ordered from Etsy. I think it was like $2 and something, but you know, you got to print it out and do all of that. And it's only one sheet, and I did print it out, but I don't want to put it together. So I think I'm gonna go to Office Depot and get it printed out in the A0. This is A4. That's why it's so many pages. It's like 20 something pages, I think. But I don't want to put it together. I just don't, y'all. It's 27 pages just in the explanation of it. And then it's like, let's see. So this is just the this is to explain how to put the pattern. Okay, this little cargo vest, which I probably could just throw together myself. But anyway, I done paid for it. I got it. So I'm gonna take it to Office Depot and have it printed out. I think this is 20 something pages. I'm not sure because the numbers are not on there. But I printed it out in color. But I will always have it just in case I want to go back. Plus I'll have the pattern um printed on one big sheet of paper as well. And I'll let you know how much that's gonna cost me to do. It's just one sheet, so it shouldn't cost that much. Maybe somewhere around, I don't know, $10 or $15. So I don't need them to print the instructions. It might be cheaper than that. So, but just to kind of like give you guys a little bit of understanding, even though you may buy a PDF and you don't want to put it together. I mean, okay. Gather your thoughts. Gather your thoughts, Jay. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is you may buy a PDF for $2.75. Okay, but you got to put that baby together. So that takes time. And time is money for some of us. So with that said, when you think about, oh, I could just, go to Etsy, buy the pattern, and then print it off, you got to think of the cost of ink. You got to think of the cost of paper. So is it really feasible? Some things are. Some things are. Like this vest can be printed out on one sheet. So that's why I'm going to take it to Office Depot. When it's a one sheeter, then I'll probably just, go for it. But when it comes to 3 or 4 big old sheets, I don't know, because I don't think it's cost effective. I'd rather just end up buying the pattern because by that time, I done paid $20, $30 for a pattern that I could have just got and cut out. I'd rather cut it out. I'd rather cut it out. So, yeah, I have a projector, so I'm gonna try to learn how to use that as well. It's an Epson. I got it. My job was gracious enough to let me have it. We weren't using it, and they didn't know what to do with it. So hey, but I may figure out how to calibrate that and use it so that I don't have to do none of that and I can just have the line drawings on the fabric. And yeah, I think y'all know about all that. But I'm not gonna hold y'all much longer. This video is like going into 13 minutes and I ain't finna do no editing. I ain't finna do nothing. I'm finna just put it up here raw like what? No, no, just kidding. But yeah, I am gonna put it up raw like that. So with that said, I'm gonna go downstairs, cut Winston. He look a hot mess. My supervisor, y'all. He cute, but he a hot mess. Okay, and we just came in from walking, and he really looked like a hot mess, and he stinks. So I got. He need a bath. He need a haircut. All that. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna work on my Mimi G dress. All I have to do is hem it and put the straps on. So this part right here, I just need to finish that, the armholes and the neck holes. So that's all I need to do for that dress, and then I'm done. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So this Wednesday. So thank y'all for stopping in, clicking on the video. I hope you watched the whole video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I don't know if people be sharing. I do know. Sometimes y'all share and sometimes y'all don't. But bring on in your friends, y'all. Oh, we need 20 more subscribers right now. But I'm praying for more. I'm praying for more. But I'm praying, really praying for them watch hours. Now, if it's for me to have, then I'm gonna be blessed with it. Okay, so I ain't gonna worry about it, but I'm gonna talk about it and I'm gonna be about it. So I may need to start posting a little bit more or doing a couple of more shorts, and throwing those in there and go from there. So, with that said, I'm gonna bid you adieu, goodbye, arrivederci, all those HAs and ochos and whatever I need to say. But I appreciate y'all, and I'm glad that you rocking with your girl, J So Tastic. Okay, so remember, we looking for a name for y'all, Tasticers, J Tastics. I don't know. Let's figure it out together. Okay, because we a community, we a family over here. Bye, y'all. Bye. See y'all in the next video.